although the exact date has not yet been revealed. It is rumored that the ceremony could take place in late summer in an intimate but elegant setting. It is speculated that the couple wishes to keep the details private, avoiding the media hype that usually surrounds these types of events. However, what is known is that Yağmur has already begun visits to bridal fashion houses, accompanied by close friends and family. According to industry sources, the actress would be in talks with a renowned Turkish designer to make a custom dress inspired by classic lines but with a contemporary touch that reflects her vibrant and elegant personality. Reactions on networks. Finally, the news of the possible wedding was received with a wave of enthusiasm on social networks. Hashtags like #Yağmur ve Barış, #Bodadalago, and #AmorTrue became a trend. In a matter of hours, the comments, mostly positive, reflect the affection that the public feels for both artists. Justice is finally done for this love, wrote a follower on Twitter. I always believed in them. Some stories deserve a second chance. I'm crying with happiness, added another user on Instagram. Even colleagues in the artistic world reacted with joy to the unconfirmed but evident news. Some left discreet likes on the publication, while others shared messages of support in their own stories. And what about the past? One of the big questions that arose with this news was what role did both of their pasts play in this reconciliation? Specifically, the rumors regarding Barış's alleged paternity and his previous relationship, as well as Yağmur's evasive comments in recent interviews. According to those close to the couple, both decided to face their story with total honesty, leaving behind resentments, jealousy, and misunderstandings. The conversation they had at that event weeks ago was apparently the definitive turning point. They're in private, without cameras or uncomfortable witnesses. They told each other everything they had pending, and they did it with maturity and love. It wasn't easy, but they understood that the most important thing was to heal together or separate peacefully. The fact that they chose to stay together says a lot, explained a close source. The future, a new stage. Now, with reconciliation consolidated and the wedding on the horizon, Yağmur and Barış begin a new stage in their lives. For many, they are the example that true love does not give up at the first difficulty. That you can stumble, fall, and still get up again holding the hand of the one you love. Also, his story serves as a reminder that fame and media exposure should not condition real feelings in a world where everything is shared, criticized, and magnified. They have chosen a more discreet, more intimate path, but full of meaning. Conclusion: love is possible. The image of Yağmur Yüksel in front of the mirror, trying on a wedding dress, is not just a snapshot of style or fashion.